Welcome back to Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a very tough password in Python. So let's get started. So this password generator will create a password which is very tough one to break. So if you are having difficulties for thinking for a password, just use these short lines of code and then you will have an unbreakable password. So let's start typing our code. So firstly, we can have import random because we're going to be using the random in module. Then after that, firstly I have a lower underscore case to be equal to um, just all the letters. So I'm just going to be writing it on the format of the keyboard. So yes, so for all the small letters, I'm going to have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We have all of the lower cases, then uppercase. So uppercase would be equal to the same thing, but A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. If you have trouble finding all of the letters, you can pause the video, type all the letters, and we can continue. Then after that, we have our numbers. So number, so our number will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So one time again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Then we'll have our symbols. So symbols is equal to we have all of the 1, 2, 3. We have the symbol, so we'll have this percentage sign. We'll also have and sign, and then we'll the star sign, and then we can just add the black backslash and forward slash. We can add a backslash, forward slash, so backslash, and I'm going to add a question mark, and then long. So these are going to be all of my symbols. So after we type our symbols, I'm going to add a use for, so use for variable, and that will be equal to everything. So like combine this variable will be equal to all the letters. So use for is equal to lowercase, so lowercase plus uppercase plus number plus symbols. So after we have all of the used for, I'm going to put the maximum length. So length for password, so for the length for pass is going to be equal to, let's say, 10. 10 would be a nice size for a password. And then our last variable would be password. So I'm going to write password is equal to empty quotes dot join random dot sample, so sample random dot sample. Inside that I'll use for and length for pass. So I'm going to be combining use for and length for pass. So after we combine these two, I'm going to print your password. And then I'm going to put password. So is this going to work? Let's check it out. I'm running the code password and put it here. Then later we have another password, then another, then another, then another. So as you can see that it is creating very difficult passwords so that no one can hack into your account. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Till next time, the Dipansh video time is